All she wanna do is smoke that broccoli.
Broccoli. In my mind, the thoughts that would process in my head would be, I give so much, why don't I receive the same love back? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Nadia with another video today. So today guys, I decided that I really wanted to do a mukbang / I wanted to talk about confidence, how to be a bad bitch. I just wanted to talk about how I've been feeling lately, how motivated I've been, how much confidence I've had lately. Let me tell you, getting to this point where I actually love myself, I believe in myself, I care about myself, it took me a long time. I'm 23 years young. I'm still not 100% confident within myself yet. I do love myself. I've been through a lot of self-hurt, a lot of self-hate in my life. Just wanted to talk about how to be a bad bitch. Also, I ordered Chinese food, so I wanted to do like a mukbang. And just eat and talk and you know. So I'm gonna start by pouring some food on my plate. My favorite type of food is General Tso's chicken. If you do not like this, there's something wrong with you. And I got it with chicken fried rice. So I'm just gonna pour a little on my plate. I ordered for my mom too, but she didn't eat yet. So I got some chicken on my plate. Oh yeah, that's so good. Also got shrimp made fun. I really like these noodles. They're kind of bland, but I always sauce it up and I just love the taste of these noodles. So I'm gonna go ahead and okay, it's a little tuna. And we cannot forget about my sauces. By the way, disclaimer, I know there are marks on my wall right here. We're in the middle of breaking down our kitchen, so we have some marks all over our walls, and yeah, so that's that. Please ignore that. Obviously, I have to have my sauce, so of course I have my brand new big bottle of sriracha sauce right here. So really love this duck sauce. If you guys love sweet sauce, I got this at my local grocery store. You can get it at Stop and Shop, ShopRite. This is the Dai De Hunan hot duck sauce. I love mixing this with soy sauce and chili pepper and lime juice. It makes a really good sauce. So I like to just mix that with some of my food. And I haven't tried this yet, but I also have sriracha mayo at my house. I actually haven't tried it with like General Tso's or noodles yet, and I want to try it. So we're gonna go ahead and do it. So I'm just gonna take a bite of my noodles because I'm really effing starving. It's so good. Oh yeah. I don't even want to talk, I just want to eat. Okay. So I did my makeup a little crazy today. It's a little bright. I used the Kylie Jenner Take Me to Vacation palette. And I did a bright orange lip, which I usually don't do. So I don't really feel comfortable right now, but we're gonna go with it. Eat your veggies, kids. Broccoli, broccoli. Growing up, I was always that cute little chubby girl, the girl that's too nice, the girl that people made fun of, the girl that people took advantage of. And now that I look back at my childhood, I was treated by my loved ones really hurt me more than the way I was treated by strangers. So growing up, that really affected my confidence. It affected the way I talked to people, interacted with people, and it affected my relationships. So I'm an only child. I really had no brother or no sister to guide me. I'm also the oldest of all of my cousins, so I really did not have an older role model to look up to. I've always been a people pleaser. I've been growing up, I learned how to make other people happy. I would do anything anyone else wanted. I would buy things for people. I would give my things away to people just so I could get love from people. And doing that broke me down. It made people take advantage of me, and it made my confidence and my self-esteem and my self-worth decrease more and more. Growing up the way I did really affected my relationships, and my relationships affected the way I viewed myself. I did not have a lot of self-worth growing up. I definitely did not love myself. I always had a big heart. I've always been so giving, but people have always taken advantage of that, which really tore down my self-worth. In my mind, the thoughts that would process in my head would be, I give so much, why don't I receive the same love back? But listen, this world, as bad as it sounds, this world can be a horrible, cruel place. No matter how much you give, people will take and they will not reciprocate. They will not love you just because you love them, and that's something that took me a while to grasp. And I'm not trying to be a negative Nelly in this video, but I'm just trying to tell you guys how I grew, basically. I poured myself another plate. Anyways, so I wake up in the morning and I tell myself it's going to be a great day, no matter what the day holds. Whether it's going to be a day where I'm going to stay home and just do homework and study, or whether it's a day I'll be at work, I always wake up with the thought that it will be a good day. Because whatever you put out there in the universe is what you get. I am a firm believer of affirmation. Truly, truly believe that whatever you tell the universe will listen and respond. So if you wake up in a bad mood, your day is already going to be horrible. No matter what happens, the energy that you put out into the atmosphere is the energy that will come back to you. Confidence and loving yourself does not come naturally. You're not born with it. It takes your whole life to build up confidence. Going through life not loving yourself is the hardest, most difficult thing you can do. It is so destructive. It leads to destructive behaviors, destructive and toxic relationships. You think you don't deserve the best, so you don't do your best. And that's how I was a couple years ago when I was going through depression. I really hated myself, and because I didn't think I deserved a happy life. I always wanted to do YouTube, but every time I would look into a camera, every time I would try to edit my videos, I would not like the way I looked, and I would just never post anything. Now I look back at my videos and I realize I look pretty damn cute. Let me get another bite because this shrimp is just staring at me. Yeah. I love sriracha sauce. It literally makes everything amazing. Something else I do every day is I visualize myself. I imagine myself in the place I want to be in life. My goal in life is really to make a difference, help people, and have that be my career. Honestly, I want to build my own brand, and with that brand, I want to just help people. And when I say that, people don't understand. And honestly, I don't really even understand. I just know that I want to be fulfilled with what I do. I don't want to sit behind a desk and type numbers all day, sell checking accounts and saving accounts. That's not something I want to do. I want to help people. So every day I visualize myself helping people and being the best person I can be. I visualize myself in my dream apartment looking out at the city. Looking out at the city view and just waking up with a nice cup of coffee every morning. And when I wake up to those thoughts, it really motivates to go and have a great day. The thing is daily affirmations. Write down your goals on a piece of paper, because once you write it down, again, you're putting it into existence. You're just sitting down somewhere. If you are on break at work, just pull out your notebook or pull out a piece of paper and just write down your goals. And for some reason, writing down what you want or writing down what you want to do for that day really clears up your mind, and it just makes it happen magically. I don't know. So I'm gonna try this sriracha mayo on the rice. Ugh. Okay. That's good. So another thing that helps me be a bad bitch and build my confidence is self-care. Self-care meaning put a face mask on, take a bath, do your nails. I do my nails all the time. And my mom questions why I do my nails all the time, but it's not for anyone, it's for myself. And so I look down at my hands and feel pretty. It's sad to say it, but the little things like that really help you feel better. You're always gonna have people that call you unattractive, dumb, stupid, not funny. You're always gonna have people that are gonna be nice to you in front of your face and talk crap behind you about you behind your back. And that's been happening to me all my life, and I'm sure it happens to everyone. But the way that I go through it is I just assume that everyone just, you know, is jealous of me and they are insecure about their own life, so they take it out on someone else. And most of the time that is the case. When someone is hating on someone, it's because that person has something that the other person does not have. Whether it's confidence, whether it's materialistic items, or whether it's something of an appearance. Hatred comes from love in a way. There's a fine line between hate and love. Hate me, don't you care replace me. But if you take care of yourself every day, do small little things to take care of yourself, those comments will not bother you, because you're gonna look at yourself and be like, I am clean, I'm cute, I'm happy. Being clean is the best feeling in the world. And you just get out of the shower and lay on your bed in the towel. It's just the happiest thing in the world. Oh my god, how am I not full? I've been... Another way I sort of build my confidence throughout the day is I talk to myself. And people always say talking to yourself is the first sign of being crazy. No, I really think if you talk to yourself, you know yourself, you're in touch with your inner self, and you're aware and you're mindful. Throughout the day, I like to tell myself that it's gonna be a good day, that I'm doing good, I'm awesome, I'm beautiful. I will tell those things to myself, and honestly it makes me feel beautiful. Just do me a favor, and when you're feeling shitty, just tell yourself you're awesome, tell yourself you're amazing. Just remember like what you've been through and where you are now. Everyone has been through something, and everyone is going through something. The way that you go through it, the way that you're surviving. If you're surviving right now, you should love yourself. Okay, now for another bite. I'm low-key full, but if you don't eat this chicken as soon as it's fresh, it's gonna lose its crispiness, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna eat a little bit more, and then I'm done. Actually gonna go meet my friends, Lily and Cherie. You know them. They are in a ton of my vlogs. We're gonna go and catch up because I haven't seen them in a while. So I kind of need to hurry up. And another thing, surround yourself with people who build you up and not break you down. I'm 23 years old, and I don't have a lot of friends. I don't trust a lot of people. I made the mistake of trusting people in the past, and it led to chaos. I'm thankful now that I have friends that care about me, that support me. If you're friends with people and you always get this gut feeling that they don't really care about you, and you always feel like you're in a toxic atmosphere, listen to your gut, because odds are those people really don't care about you and are just there just to use you, take advantage of you, or just have a friend. And once you have true, real friends, you'll know. You'll just know it. These people will never judge you, never lie to you, and will always be looking out for your best interest. And I could say that 2020, I have some amazing friends. So shout out to you guys. You know who you are. So, I don't know. I just really wanted to just sit down and talk because it's January 1st. It's New Year. Oh shit, it's New Year. I just know that 2020 is going to be a good year. It's going to be a great decade. I know it can be an amazing year for anyone who wants it to be an amazing year. Confidence and self-love doesn't come like that. It takes practice. You have to tell yourself you love yourself every day. Right now you're thinking, I know I love myself. What is that really going to do? But the power of self-love can help you climb mountains. It can help you fulfill any goal that you want. Believe in yourself, love yourself, and you don't listen to anyone else. And those are my words of wisdom for today. I really have to finish my food and get ready and meet my friends. So, this was a fun video to film. My puppy's so sad because my dad left to go to Bangladesh today, and she's been waiting by the door all day for him to come back. And she looks so sad. Look how sad she looks. You want some chicken, Mila? Guys, don't judge me. Sometimes I give Mila a little bit of chicken. Don't judge me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really had a lot of fun filming this. I love just talking, and I love eating, so this was a fun video to film. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell to be notified for whenever I post. Thumbs up if you want Mila to feel better because she's been really upset lately. And yeah, so stay tuned for my next video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.